Happy birthday to you at the bar. How about this side?
Happy birthday!
And the kids? Alright, so now I'm gonna count. I'm gonna count one to three and everybody shout, Happy birthday sa Ethan. Okay, ready? 1, 2, and 3! Whoa, yeah! Alright, so, Mommy and Daddy, that is our chance para balik namin lahat. What is your birthday wish for Ethan?
Wish lang namin
Bakit?
sana
Basta ako may pinaniniwala. Yun lang.
thank you everyone for coming to the 7th birthday party. Super na-appreciate namin